Alright, so this is the easiest, cheapest way to install tow straps on a Lexus IS300. So some quick tools: drill, hole saw. I'm using a 1.5 inch. You could use inch and a quarter. This is obviously all, preference. Marker, snips, zip tie, obviously your front and rear tow straps. We are not using this in this installation, so I already pulled it off the rear. Since Toyota blessed us with 2 stock tow hooks up front and 1 in the rear, really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in the front bumper, and we're going to attach our tow strap right to the stock tow hook. I'm using the driver's side on the front just because I have too much going on the passenger side already. The plate's going to be there, vents over here, so I want a little offset. And I will show you, I've already finished the rear, so you get an exact idea on what it's going to look like. Very, very simple, very clean, and obviously it works.